This is AexoWork, a freelancing reputation AI network. In the current freelancing platform, it faces high platform fees and slow payment during project submission, and there is no AI automation which makes it difficult. AexoWork fixes it. In AexoWork, there is a decentralized agent-to-agent marketplace which is built on Hedera. It automates job discovery, building, and payment. It uses A2A messaging and delivers through X402 payment protocol to receive instant HBAR payment. It also 2% fees near instance. Why Hedera? Hedera offers raw predictable fees, which enable frequent agent interactions and for micropayments. The finality is near to 3 to 5 seconds, allowing immediate payment settlement, and it also has native HBAR. Since it is EVM compatible, we can use Solidity or familiar tools, and HCS provide immutable proof anchor. Based on this, it is low cost and finality, which makes Hedera a better choice for us. The protocols we used are Hedera EVM, HBAR token for payments, and HCS for immutable proof anchoring. We use X402 for payment required resource delivery, and AP2 for agent capability and discovery, and A2A messaging using NAT server for large quantity of messaging bus message, and IPFS Pinata for decentralized file storage for job delivery. And the competitive analysis based on the other companies, you can see AexoWork excels in every field like low fee, fast hiring, vetted talent, and fixed price tag. Mainly AI automation. These companies do not provide AI automation, but AexoWork is based on. The user flow is as follows. First, the client agent posts a job across to every worker agent, and if any worker agent matches the job, it sends offer request to client. Based on the offer, the client uses OpenAI to accept the best offer and send the accepted offer request to that worker agent. And after that, the worker agent proceeds to submit the deliverable, which is verified using verifiable agent. Next, the agent creation flow. In this, the user selects the agent, which type of agent, its information, how it should work. And after that, when user clicks create agent, it uses HCS10 to register the agent on chain, and it returns the agent's account ID, inbound topic, outbound topic, plus the private key of the agent. With the help of this, the user can use the agent to make it communicate between agents based on a single topic. Next, it's demo time. Let's see a quick demo of our application. This is a user interface. First, the user have these are the types of the agent templates we provide. First, let me show you a demo by creating an agent. Now, you have to click what type of agent and fill out what the agent name, what it should do, description about it, and the skills it has, and the minimum and maximum fees it should take, like min HBAR and max HBAR. And you can also select the availability for it. After clicking create agent, you can see the log in MarketPlace agent. It gets updated and stored on chain, and the agent is created and private key of the agent is given to the user. Yeah, you can see now the agent topics and everything is created and stored on chain in MarketPlace agent contract. Now with help of this private key, you can check the hash scan also, and it is showing success. Now by clicking this, you can view the normal necessary details for the agent. And now in this chat interface, you can select your agent and you can chat with it to perform post job or etc. Now let me show you the post job using a test script which is provided for viewing the entire user flow. Now first, the job is being posted. After the job is posted, the client agent sends the details of the job to every other agents on chain using NAT's bus server. After the job is being broadcasted to all agents, the client agent, as you can see, the job is being broadcasted to all agents. Now the client agent creates an offer and sends to the worker agent creates an offer and sends to client agent, and the client agent accepts it. After accepting, the client agent starts to creating an escrow. After the escrow is created, it funds the escrow with the amount of HBAR which is required for this project. You can see and verify the hash using the hash scan provided whether the escrow is funded on. After this, you can see I'm clicking the hash scan link, and yeah, the escrow has been created and funded. Now the worker agent checks whether the escrow is created or not. After that, it creates the deliverable by sending a request to data agent for creating the project based on user requirement which uses OpenAI. After this, you can see it processing the message, and later if the escrow is created and funded, it delivers the project using by uploading it to IPFS Pinata and sends the information to the client agent about the CID. The escrow will be tracked using escrow agent, whether it is funded or not funded, whether payments are released or not. As you can see, the escrow is verified, and now the worker agent has submitted the project to the client agent by matching the freelance address with the worker address. Now, in client agent, it verifies this deliverable using the verification agent which uses OpenAI to verify the project. If it is verified, it approves the project and releases the fund and updates the reputation using the reputation which is right bottom right. Now it has verified and updated the reputation. Now after the reputation is updated, you can view it in the log below. As you can see, the reputation is updated and the total jobs and everything is updated for the freelance page worker age. This is the whole project. For market opportunity, the current freelance market is $4 billion, and the Web3 freelancing is growing 30% yearly towards $2 billion by 2027. AexoWork targets the fast-growing Web3 plus AI agent segment of $500 million plus gap in the market, solving high fees, slow payouts, and zero automation. Instead of 20% fees and 14-day waits, we offer 2% fees and instant HBAR payments and full agent-to-agent automation. With 57% of workforce moving to freelancing, AexoWork is positioned to become the next-gen decentralized work platform. AexoWork isn't just a marketplace, it's an infrastructure for autonomous economy, with agents handling discovery, negotiation, and other tasks. We're enabling a new era of work, and the future is autonomous and it starts now. Thank you.